That's freaking awesome. Hiding behind that rock.
That is so clear too. Wow.
Oh, wow.
They're so cute.
They're beautiful. Is that actually a collar on that bird?
Yes, both of them are collared, and one of those is the alpha female. I just can't tell which one. I could see. I think her. You'll see all the guides have this kind of setup. I had to run out and buy it.
Yeah.
I help people see orcas back home though too, so it'll pay off. It's already paid off. Just with you guys. Like I love showing people this.
Where are you from?
Tacoma, Washington. How about you folks?
Fayetteville, Arkansas.
Oh, I have family in Gravette.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Seriously.
That's where my mother was born and my father.
Oh, we swim it or anything?
Yeah.
Flashing around. Oh. She's going across.
Got the other one.
Yeah, that's a good move for you.
That's out again. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, he shook off the water.
Oh, there's the other one back there.
Oh, the one back up in the grass now.
Yeah, it's looking.
Lost him. Where'd you go? You're way over here. There you are.
Oh, wow, she's got a good picture of him coming up the hill.
Wow.
That thing's amazing. People are in for a surprise up there, maybe.
I think they know she's coming.
If you're zoom lens or no?
I'm not that far out.
Looks like it keeps coming closer and closer as well. Pretty nice.
Yeah, if we all be real quiet, she might keep coming this way.
Still over there on the other side of it.
Oh, I see it now.
See, I think she's going to come down here. She's going to come around all these people. She knows they're all there.
She's used to it.
You know more about what's going on than we do here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
I wonder why that one's staying on the other side.
She's like black with brown spots. She's got her ears docked.
Yeah, they do not like cross.